Hey there, homeowners! Ready to make cleaning your house a breeze? Today I've got the top 5 must-have cleaning gadgets you need in your home. And guess what? All these top-rated gadgets are available on Amazon. Check the link in the description below. First up, this little guy is a game changer. Imagine sitting back with a cup of coffee while your floors are cleaned effortlessly. It navigates around furniture, gets into tight corners, and even returns to its charging station when it's done. Talk about smart cleaning! Next, the lightweight and powerful, it's perfect for quick cleanups and those hard-to-reach spots. No more tangled cords or dragging a heavy vacuum around. Just grab and go. Third on the list is the say goodbye to stubborn stains and germs. The steam mop uses high-temperature steam to sanitize your floors without chemicals. It's safe for kids and pets, and your floors will sparkle like never before. Coming in at number 4, this gadget is a dust magnet. It bends and flexes to reach high shelves, ceiling fans, and tight spaces. Plus, the microfiber material traps dust instead of spreading it around. Genius! And finally, no more scrubbing by hand until your arms ache. This tool does the hard work for you, making bathroom cleaning, grout scrubbing, and even kitchen messes a breeze. Just let the electric scrubber handle it. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 cleaning gadgets every home should have. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? All top-rated gadgets are on Amazon. Check the link in the description below. Happy cleaning and see you in the next video.